Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best Remington Shortcut Pro is probably one of the most convenient and user-friendly hair clippers on the market, designed for quick trims and fades right at home, making it an ideal choice for anyone looking to save time and money on haircuts without sacrificing style or precision. Its compact size and cordless operation offer unparalleled freedom and ease of use, allowing you to achieve professional-looking results with minimal effort, even if you're a beginner. Number 5. Skull Shaver Pitbull Gold Pro Head and Face Shaver. Experience a comfortable shave with our premium electric shaver. Its Japanese stainless steel blades are designed for optimal performance and longevity, effortlessly reaching tough spots. Enjoy a close shave whether you're in the shower or on the go. With 90 minutes of cordless use, it's perfect for your busy lifestyle. Cleaning is a breeze with its easy-to-remove blades. The multi-directional rotary heads adjust to contours for a smooth shave every time. This men's grooming kit includes everything you need: the shaver, adapter, USB charging cord, and a convenient travel pouch. Achieve luxury-grade grooming with tools that are long-lasting, efficient, and comfortable. It's the gold standard for your grooming routine. What we like. Experience a premium shave with Japanese stainless steel blades that reach tough spots effortlessly. If you value a close shave whether wet or dry and appreciate real-time battery information, this is the ideal choice for a luxurious grooming experience. What people say. The ergonomic design fits perfectly in the hand, making it easy to maneuver around the head. The blades are powerful and efficient, cutting through hair quickly without pulling or discomfort. The battery life is excellent, and the fact that it's waterproof makes cleaning and maintenance extremely easy. The Pitbull surprised me pleasantly by delivering everything its makers promised. I wasn't convinced that the shape of this shaver would make a significant difference, but it does. The Pitbull does a much better job on my head than the Braun. You can use the Pitbull wet or dry. The digital battery charge display is a great feature that I wish I had on all my battery-powered devices. Powerful motor and blades. Easy to clean, especially compared to Freebird brand which I was using previously. Comfortable design. Works well wet or dry, but ideally it works best with some shave cream. It cuts close, but not as close as a regular razor. The display of charge is great too. Number 4. Remington Balder Pro XR 7000 Rotary Shaver. Experience precision shaving with flexing steel blades and cordless lithium power. Its innovative design captures hair efficiently, and it's fully waterproof for easy cleaning. Keep the blades clean for optimal performance. Achieve a smooth shave in under 2 minutes. Its 5 cutting heads ensure efficient and effortless results. Use the pop-up trimmer for detailing those hard-to-reach areas. Enjoy maximum skin comfort with flexing blades and a pivoting neck that adapt to your head. This design ensures a smooth shave with fewer passes. Clean and lubricate the cutting heads if you notice any chugging. This cordless head shaver features a mess-free hair capture system, perfect for bald head users. Enjoy a quick, clean shave without any hassle. Ensure the hair pocket clicks securely after use. Get up to 50 minutes of cordless use on a full charge. It's ideal for both home and travel, offering ultimate convenience. Remember to charge it fully initially for optimal battery life. Rinse the heads after each shave for best performance. If it makes a chugging noise, clean and lubricate the cutting heads. The heads and cutters are designed as one piece for simplicity. What we like. Achieve a fast and smooth shave in under 2 minutes with 5 dual-track heads and a mess-free hair capture system. If you're looking for maximum skin comfort and a quick, clean shave without the hassle, this is perfect for your routine. What people say. The Remington Shortcut Pro is a compact and powerful haircutting tool that makes self-haircuts quick and easy. Its ergonomic design fits comfortably in your hand, and the cordless operation provides great freedom of movement. The included guide combs allow for precise length control, ensuring a consistent and professional-looking cut every time. Number 3. Shortcut Self-Haircut Kit for Men. Achieve the perfect buzz cut or bulb look right at home. Its compact design allows you to easily reach every part of your head for a seamless DIY haircut. The blade is designed to naturally follow the contours of your head. This ergonomic fit ensures a comfortable and efficient haircut every time. Experience significantly faster haircuts thanks to the widened clipper head. It covers a larger area with each pass, saving you time. Cleaning up is a breeze. With a detachable blade and an integrated tank, you can simply rinse it under running water for quick maintenance. Enjoy the flexibility of using it cordless thanks to its fast-charging battery. You can also plug it in for continuous power, giving you options for your grooming routine. What we like. This self-haircut kit features a widened 70mm curved blade for a 75% larger cutting area, making haircuts faster. If you're aiming for a DIY buzz cut or bald head at home with ease and speed, its ergonomic design and fast charging make it a great option. What people say. The device is very easy to hold and even easier to maneuver over your head to the point that I can give my head a fairly quick pass without a mirror and I still rarely miss a spot. The trimmer is also great for the rest of the body and even my beard. I can stand in my dry shower and give myself a head-to-toe trimming all in one charge before I shower and wash all the clippings down the drain. I really love the ergonomic design and the wide, curved blade. It's really comfortable on my head, no nicks and no pulling. It delivers a very even number 1 which is a true 3mm with just one pass. Number 2. WAHFOX replacement blade for Remington HC4240 HC4250. Introducing the WAHFOX replacement blade, designed for a perfect fit with your Remington HC4240 and HC4250 hair clippers. Keep your grooming tools in top condition with this durable and cost-effective solution. This blade is built to last, saving you money in the long run. It's engineered with self-sharpening technology to ensure a smooth and consistent cut every time. Experience an effortless haircut thanks to its ergonomically designed, curved shape and high-quality stainless steel blade. It cuts through hair thoroughly and efficiently. Enjoy a peaceful grooming experience with its low noise operation, around 55 decibels. It's so quiet, it won't disturb a sleeping baby. Maintain the sharpness of your clippers with this easy-to-use replacement. It ensures a clean and precise cut, making your grooming routine simpler and more effective. We are committed to providing excellent customer service. If you encounter any issues or have suggestions, please don't hesitate to contact us. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. Keep your Remington clippers sharp and save money with this durable, self-sharpening replacement blade. If you own compatible Remington models and want an easy-to-use, quiet solution to maintain your clippers, this is a cost-effective choice. What people say. The Remington Shortcut Pro is a game-changer for quick haircuts at home. Its ergonomic design fits comfortably in your hand, making it easy to maneuver. The cordless operation provides freedom of movement, and the battery life is impressive for touch-ups or full haircuts. Number 1. HONTEC replacement blade for Remington HC4240, HC4250. Introducing the HONTEC replacement blade, designed to be compatible with your Remington HC4240 and HC4250 beard trimmers. It's the perfect fit for your Shortcut Pro self-haircut kit. Don't buy a new machine when your blade is worn out. Simply replace the old or damaged pusher blade with a new one to give your trimmer a fresh start. Keep your clippers performing like new without breaking the bank. This replacement blade is easy to install and ensures your trimmer stays sharp for every use. With the same hole position as the original, this blade offers a seamless replacement. It's engineered for compatibility, ensuring it works perfectly with your existing trimmer. We're here to help. If you have any questions about our products, our customer service team is available 24 hours a day to assist you. What we like. Revitalize your Remington hair clippers with this cost-effective replacement blade, designed for easy installation and use. If you're looking to save money by replacing a worn-out blade instead of buying a new trimmer, this curved blade offers a great solution. What people say. Super easy to replace the old and slide in the new. Cuts nice and close again. Fits and functions as well as the original blade. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.